Hey guys, it's W, and this is my new chef knife. There's an 8-inch chef knife from PAUDIN. I also got the entire set, and this is actually an upgrade for me because I haven't bought a new knife or a new set since college. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So it looks really great in the package. It's really good for like gifting and stuff. But it came with 3 knives. So this kit actually has a 3.5-inch paring knife, a 5-inch utility knife, as well as an 8-inch chef knife. Now, this is quote unquote German steel. It's actually fine carbide steel, so it's super hard and stuff. It's also rust proof. It has great balance, and of course has a really durable handle. We'll go ahead and look into the details a little later, but let's do our unboxing now. As you can see, there is a little tiny warranty card, and all the knives are still in their plastic packaging. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. Super beautiful, by the way. They all have little guards on it, which is nice. But yeah, really lightweight, very cool. The metal is from the tip all the way to the tang and to the hilt of the handle, which is really nice. But we'll go into the details of it just in a sec. But it's a really nice gift, a kit for gifting or a knife set. Super lightweight, super balanced, really nice, really solid feeling too. As you can see, there's like some pattern to the handle, which is nice, and they also have their, I guess, logo on the blade as well as on the rivet on and the hilt of it as well. But overall, it feels really great. Again, these are my first set of knives that I bought for a long time. It's actually a set of knives instead of individual knives, which is pretty cool. As you can see, all the way to the hilt, there's their logo, and also the metal goes all the way through for the steel. I love the handle because the handle's pattern is beautiful as well, and it's very flush. It's very sleek as well, and when it's wet, it doesn't seem to slip from my hand either. So it's pretty cool. I don't know what they did to design this, but it's really nice. Cutting, of course, this is super sharp. We'll do a long-term review later. After about 6 months from now, we'll probably do another review of this to see how well it works, as well as if it needs sharpening or anything else like that. But yeah, out of the box, this is super sharp, and we are just right now just peeling off rinds off of lemons right now, just so that we could dry it and use it as seasoning. So as you can see, we're just harvesting the rinds, and we'll go ahead and dice those up a little later as well. So yeah, the most useful blades, actually we've been using all 3 of the blades, but we've been using the paring knife as for what it's for. And the next useful one is, of course, that 8-inch chef's knife. Very useful for a lot of things, whether it's cutting meat or dicing things or even mincing things like this. It's really awesome. Very fine chopping. I mean, with this, with a good knife, you don't really need like a food processor, because you could do everything by hand. Anyways, guys, it's W. I hope this quickie review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.